Are you good in and out of the court?
Dude, gusto mo ba akong subukan?
But what we really mean is, are you as good without a court? The challenge, suspended almost 50 feet above ground, standing on an unstable surface. Can Kiefer nail 3 baskets?
Tatanggalin ko muna yung takot ko. Okay, susan tayo. Kailangan yung pinaka-importante, yung focus na yun. Nandun dapat, mawawala eh. Okay, whoa. I'm ready. If you ask me, I'm ready.
Okay, we'll see what happens when you're up there.
Hindi ka kinakabahan?
Actually, mixed eh. Kinakabahan, tsaka excited. Sana ma-overcome lang yun. Let's go! Pero ito, nung inangat talaga ako, sobrang iba yung feeling. Sobrang hirap. Wala na talaga akong balance. Tuhod ko ba yung huminginig o yung stage?
Can Kiefer keep a cool head and finish the challenge?
Tuhod ko nga. Okay na ba? Okay na yan, kuya. Ba't ganun? Ba't parang ang tagal? Teka, ang hirap naman ang tanggal nito. Uy! Ano to?
Uy, tahan!
Natanggal yung antok ko ah!
Kinda simple, right? Good luck, Kiefer. Kids, don't dare try this at home, okay?
So nung una, trinay ko muna i-adjust, just try to hit the ring or kahit anong mangyari. Yung more or less, tinansya ko kung gaano kalakas yung flick ng wrist. Talagang pinilit ko bilisan kasi ayoko na dun sa taas ng matagal eh. Despite everything, yun nga, kailangan ko lang talaga mag-focus.
That's a good one, Keith. That's one.
Nangihina na yung legs ko.
Whoa, that's number 2.
Kahit ibang-iba talaga sa basketball, inisip ko nila na parang free throw lang siya.
And number 3. What an awesome finish. Keep a cool head to be number 1 with Head and Shoulders.